freedom on campus. Are you going to be able to enforce freedom of expression in a way that it isn't enforced at the moment?
The first thing to say is freedom of expression, freedom of speech, freedom of thought is fundamental to what universities should be. They should be places where there is free debate, where ideas are debated, where when there's an argument, people really try and understand the opposition before they get into criticising it. So there's a proper academic, serious, thoughtful debate about ideas, and freedom of speech within the law seems fundamental to that. And that's what we will stand for and what we'll be urging.
Stand for and urging, but able to intervene and change things?
If we intervene, it will be to widen freedom of speech, and it will be using or exhortation wherever we possibly can, because, again, we don't want to have to intervene, but we will, if necessary, look at how we could intervene where there are particular incidents. Mostly, and most importantly, it's the way the university management and sometimes the university management with the student union deals with these issues. And when they deal with them well, when they deal with them sensitively, they can guarantee the freedom of speech. Well, but if they don't do that, we would have to intervene. And again, that might be, it's not necessarily a question of using formal powers, but you can use example, you can use pressure in all kinds of ways to make that a reality.
Yes, because there was a case this week of an academic, a woman called Heather Braunscore Evans, who said a talk she was due to give to medical students, actually, at King's College London. It was cancelled over concerns that it would violate the safe space policy. Now, she was talking about transgenderism, which, of course, is a hugely hot topic at the moment. In a sense, it doesn't matter what her view was, but she felt that she wasn't able to go to the university and express herself. In a case like that, are you saying your ability to have a platform, to name and shame, to come on programs like this and talk about it, that might have an impact?
Well, yes, I think first of all we need a freedom of debate about what it means to guarantee free speech. I don't know the particular case that you've mentioned, so I don't want to talk about that. But yes, by talking about it, by promoting it, we can do that. And I think one of the things I want to take on is there's a bit of a theme going in universities and among some people about freedom of speech is okay as long as it doesn't make some people feel uncomfortable. My argument would be the exact opposite of that. A really good education does make you feel uncomfortable. It makes you face up to some things that are difficult to learn, and you learn them. It makes you argue with people who have a different point of view and come to terms with them. Being comfortable isn't the point of a good education. A good education should sometimes make you feel deeply uncomfortable. Nearly all the best learning moments are in fact like that. So we will take this debate on with great vigour, because it's absolutely fundamental to the future of universities.